Good day, Orteans. Your lecturer for today is Professor Allan Santos, top 5 in the March 2012 Criminology's licensure examination. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button to receive the latest updates. Take it away, Allan.
So take note, okay? Very easy. Now, very easy question. An active component in tobacco which acts as powerful stimulant of the central nervous system. A drop of pure nicotine can easily kill a person. So take note of that, ha? Yung pure nicotine naman yon. Okay, hindi yung nicotine na small amount of nicotine sa tobacco. So I want you to remember, yes, the answer is nicotine. Okay? So cocaine is a plant-based drug yan eh. Okay? Sa coca, plant. So take note of that. The answer is letter B. So volatile. Ano ba yung mga volatile substance? Pwede bang i-type nyo? Magbigay ka kayo ng example ng tinatawag nating volatile substances. Okay? Ano yung mga volatile? Okay? Baka meron dyan naka-experience nun. Ano mo? Yun! Okay. Rugby. Tama. Pwede rin yung tinatawag nating mga flammable liquid, no? So, like, for example, turpentine. Okay? Yes, solvent. Yes, lahat ng pwede nating lahat ng merong effects sa atin kapag sininghot natin, na-inhale natin. So what is the law? Okay. Yan, barnis. Pag talagang medyo mahal ba ang barnis? Mahal na kasi ang rugby. Pag medyo mura-mura ang barnis, o barnis na lang, mas matapang pa. Okay. I'm just joking, guys. No? So, ano ang sagot dito? Okay, of course, hindi Republic Act 9165. Although nakalagay dyan kung ano yung dangerous drugs. Hindi rin yung Republic Act 6425. Ano ba yung Republic Act 6425? Ito yung Dangerous Drugs Act of 1972. Dangerous Drugs Act of 1972. So, yes, wala naman tayong PD 1617. It's not related. So, the answer is PD 1619. PD 1619. So, I want you to take note. Okay guys, bago tayo pumunta sa isang item, let me ask you, anong pinagkaiba ng ating new law, Republic Act 9165, compare sa ating old law? Okay? Compare sa ating old law. What is the answer? Okay, anong pinagkaiba? Yes, number one, na makikita, kitang-kita talaga. Okay, nagkaroon na ng mas mataas, steeper penalty yung bagong batas. Okay? Mas mataas ang penalty, higher penalty. Okay? So, for example, di ba? Yung maintenance of den-drive resort. Okay? So tumaas, no? If you are nagme-maintain ka ng den-drive resort, now you will be imprisoned from life imprisonment to death. Okay? Although wala naman tayong ngayon, no? Wala tayong tinatawag na life imprisonment and death, no? Yung pinaka-highest penalty lang na ating makukuha is reclusion perpetua. Aside from that, ano pa ang pinagkaiba? Okay, siyempre pag tumaas yung penalty, yung ibang mga dating non-bailable, iba dating bailable, magiging non-bailable. Okay. So, ano pa? Aside from that, Teddy, nice answer. What else? Ano pa ang pinagkaiba? Bakit natin pinalitan? Okay. I want you to think. Sa illegal drugs ba natin ngayon sa new law? Meron ba tayong plea bargaining? Is plea bargaining allowed sa ating Republic Act 9165? Okay? Allowed ba ang plea bargaining? Yes or no? Okay? Sino makakasagot? Okay? The answer is no. Yun ang pagkakaiba, no? So kaya hindi kaya kapag ikaw ay na-convict, no, talagang no, bubunuin mo yung parusa mo. Okay? So, aside from that, yung mga dating case na pwede kang mag-undergo ng probation, wala na yon sa 9165 kahit you are qualified. Okay, kahit na no. So, wala rin yung probation. Okay, so I want you to remember. Okay? Except, may exemption yan. Okay? May exemption yan. Ano ang exemption nun? Okay? Sa bagong batas natin, okay, when it comes to illegal drugs, okay, timbang, hindi timbang, okay? So, ano ang exception doon sa batas na yun? The answer is yung 9344. If the suspect is a minor, therefore, pwede siyang mag-undergo ng probation. So, I want you to remember that. If the suspect is a minor, okay, so take note of that, minor, under 9344. So, please remember that. No? Minor na may discretion. Iba naman kasi yung walang discretion eh. Pag walang discretion, walang ano yan eh. No? Walang criminal liability. Pero kapag may discretion, may criminal liability. Okay? So, I want you to remember that. Okay? Yun ang mga pagkakaiba ng ating previous law sa ating bagong batas. Aside from the fact na sa ating bagong batas, nagkaroon tayo ng PIDEA, di ba? The implementing arm of the Republic Act 9165, the PIDEA. Okay, I have a question to you guys. Pag sinabi mong PIDEA, kay pakitype, sino pinakamataas doon? Anong position ng mataas doon? Ang pinakamataas? Okay? Anong sagot? Anong position ang pinakamataas sa PIDEA? What is the highest position in PIDEA? Okay, anybody? Okay. Okay, sabi ni Dong. Okay. Major General. Okay, any other? Yung iba. Okay. Sabi ni JM, Director. Ano pa? Yon. Okay, Raven and Mark, you are correct. So, the highest officer in the PIDEA, meron siyang position na Director General. So, I want you to remember that. Ngayon, tinanong dati sa board exam, ito ang tanong ha, I want you to listen. The head of the PIDEA is the Director General, okay, with equivalent rank of in the cabinet, no? Okay? In the cabinet, no, department as anong ang equivalent niya? No, sa cabinet department natin. Okay, anybody? So I want you to take note, no? Okay? Type ko na lang the head of the PIDEA. Okay? The Director General, okay, has an equivalent. Okay? Equivalent, okay? Cabinet rank, no? As, I want you to remember, as under secretary as under secretary. So I want you to remember, as under secretary. So take note of that. Under secretary.
If you want to learn more from him, take our Road to 1 Million challenge. If this channel hits 1 million subscribers, we will release the rest of his lectures. Or you can watch the rest of his lectures now by enrolling in Ortea Criminology Review. Just message us on our Facebook account for more details. See you soon, Orteans!